Hey guys, Lego Life here. Welcome back to another Lego Life video. Today I'm actually outside in sort of in the woods, not really though. And today I will be building Lego set number 75976, Wrecking Ball, recommended ages 9 and up, containing 227 pieces. It's actually a double-sided box, which I prefer this side because it's more in action. Little rat's name. We call him Bulldozer because Overwatch fans are triggered. I'm gonna open the box still from this side, so I'm gonna open it right here. So let me get into this. Oh yeah, I need to hold this up because this is probably the stupidest way to cut open a box. Okay, that is all open. Okay, all done. In here it looks like we have a slightly folded manual, but not too bad. Bag 2. And bag 1. And also we have in here 6 little stickers. So let's see what bag 1 builds us. Okay, so here, this is what bag 1 will build us. It gives us Mr. Rat and part of the ball, actually. And then looks like that's my first step to build. And then in bag 2, you just round out and make it into a little ball out of. And this thing does transform, so it's like a little transformer. Oh yeah, this should be Lego Overwatch done very, very slightly. Transformers, because these things transform like Bastion, transform into this giant gun thing. So if you're wondering how it transforms, there's probably that in the instructions. So let me flip to that. So they actually do not have how you transform it in the instructions. I think you just rip out the legs, and that's what it'll look like all transformed. This is the other set that I want to get. It is the Junkerton something. But this set I really wanted since I've seen the leaks on Just Too Goods, and then on Just Too Goods channel, and then that's just all your pieces. So let's get into this build, which has 80 steps. So will I do a time lapse? We'll know you guys in a second. But let's start with step 1. I realized I actually can't get into bag 1 without bag 1 being opened. So, it shouldn't be too big. My manual is trying to blow away, so I'm gonna pull that down. So let's open up the set. Or this bag, I mean. Okay, we're gonna get a nice. Looks like a lot. Oh my golly. Oh gosh, I need to put these things back in the bag, or in the box, because they will blow away. The box will blow away. Look at this. Look at this print. Oh, it's lime green. Or it's not lime green. I'm saying green. It looks like gray on this, doesn't it? Or is that just me? But that is an amazing print. Oh my, yes! Back in the box. Can't litter. Okay. Now we can actually get into the speed build. Don't copyright music. Overwatch. Oh my god, I'm sorry. So we have just completed up bag 1. This is what we got so far. It looks really pretty nice. Can't tell it's gonna be a ball yet, other than some of the rounded sides. There's actually a really fun feature on this that I would love to show you guys, which I will. Which you go up here. Why, hello there. So basically, there's this lever on the side which controls his seat. It's really fun just to see him go up and down. It's actually pretty funny too. Oh, hi. Hi. It's really weird. This is the guy that I think his name is Bulldozer. I really don't know it. I've never played Overwatch in my life. It may be Ham. That would be a funny name. Let me check the box. Maybe his name. Oh, that's his name. Found out his name. His name, as you can see on the box, is actually actual size. So there's his minifigure right here. It's actually not really a minifigure. And then it says actual size. So that is his name. Welcome, actual size, to the LFL family. But yeah, it was actually a pretty fun build. It only took about 20 minutes, maybe 30 minutes max. But yeah, there goes the box. Really nice build. So let's hit time lapse number 2. Stare into his eyes. Hit the time lapse. I know I said to hit that time lapse, but first we need to open up bag 2 because you can't build your set without the bag opened. So, open up the bag. I've been putting all my bags in this box, but this box I need to keep because it actually has great design in. It is actually my first ever Overwatch set, so I really want to keep it. Oh, and yeah, we were just at Walmart yesterday because we needed like food and stuff. So I decided I had money, and I didn't have $20. That's how much this set usually is. Which, I mean, with 227 pieces, really isn't that bad of a price. $20 for this set. So I'm actually fine with this price. Plus, you'll pay for licensing and stuff. But at Walmart, I had $10, and that's how much I paid for this set. Pretty great deal on my end, but knowing it's 50% off, and so yeah. Now we can actually hit the time lapse, like little actual size set. Need more music, eh? Great music. Oh, this looks cool. What a fun. Oh, yeah. Okay, so I'm not done back 2 yet, but I just wanted to show you this really cool. This other table. This other really cool. This other really cool feature, which basically you can pull this out and then pull out your guns, and then they just go. Basically, it's a really easy feature, a really easy technique. Sorry, the lighting's not the best. I am outside and it's a little shady where I am, but you can see that. So then that folds in, fits perfectly. And then you just fold up that barrel, and perfect. So let's get back to the time lapse. Oh, building an Overwatch set. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. So slight problem. I am on step 49. Everything is rolling great, right? And it still is. But this wind has been insane, and I lost the sticker sheet for the set. I probably should have put in the instructions in the box first, and I guess I'll go find it. Because I'm on step. Oh, I see it. There. I think, yep, this is it. We're gonna go grab this. We got it. So I guess I can get back to the time lapse now. Everything's all good now. I don't know why I need to record that. I probably just wanted to, just because I want to record a lot today because I haven't uploaded in a day. So back to the time lapse. My musical talent is leaving me, but Anna. actually get to see me, and this is the Wrecking Ball. In Wrecking Ball mode, it is not in Transformer mode quite yet, but I want to do a roll test. It does actually roll, which is pretty cool. I'll get a shot of that in slow motion. But I'm in love with this set. Like, I love it. It's so good. And then I'm going to transform it. No, first I'm going to show you guys how it rolls, and then I will transform it. Sorry, y'all, I've been sneezing. And, so let me just show off its ball mode real quick. So, this is actually pretty light. It's not bad, and I love this a lot. Is this worth $20? Heck yeah. $20 is full price. If you can find it any cheaper than that, pick it up if you got the money. This is way worth it. Not even being an Overwatch fan, I actually don't like Overwatch. I don't like any games like that. I don't like them. I like mission games, which are fun, but this is just great. I really don't know what to say about this other than the fact that it is great. Hold on a second, I think I may have made a mistake. No, I didn't. Did that just pop off? Now I'm going to transform this. Nope, I still need to show you guys how it rolls, so let me go do that. Okay, so now let me just set you guys up in a better camera angle. Set you guys up on my other camera, my tripod, or my speed building one. So I'll show you guys how to transform this, which I actually don't have a clue how to do yet. So I think you take off this piece, pull out the legs, and then bring up these. So bring that up fully, leave that down. I'm just literally just using the top of the instruction book. Pull that out. Let me make it be able to stand. Oh, this looks like a spider. So scary. Whoa, that's cool. I don't know if I did the legs right or if I did any of this right. Looks a little uneven because I didn't spread the legs evenly yet. And then you just do the same on the other side, I think. There is your really cute mode, I guess we can call it. This is just like, oh, we need Mr. Hammy Up. This is actual size. He's actually pretty cute. Actually, I don't know. I'm gonna call him a microfig. I don't know what to call him though. But yeah, really cute on actual size. Probably should know everybody's names before I decide to make an Overwatch video. But I'm gonna put this guy back in ball form just to show you how easy it is to transform. Oops, I need to put the weapons in first. These could be called Transformers. I think I already said that, but who knows when you're recording backwards. Okay, now you put that down. Super duper easy to transform. Bring that. Oops. What am I doing? I just ruined this. Okay. Then I'm going to get a mom reaction, but not on camera. I don't know if she really wants to be on camera right now. That is so cool. Oh my. That is amazing. And it like fits in my hand perfectly. Pokemon. Okay, so I guess that was May the 4th video, and May the 4th be with you. Pieces out.